Hello, this is Arnold from Steelmama. Today we will test 3 machines for Mexico client. The first machine is double line for main channel and angle machine. This is main channel, this is angle machine. This one machine can produce 2 profile. And the machine is non-stop flying cutter. So the machine speed can up to 30 meters to 40 meters. And the second machine is Omega machine. And some clients also call it height plane. This is Omega. This machine also flying cutter. Speed also can up to 30 to 40 meters. And the third machine is the main machine. Now I want to introduce you. This machine is automatic changing size, and we use servo motor to change the size. One machine can produce different size from 40 to 100, and we can produce C channel and U channel both. We call the start and track. So this one machine can produce 2 designs, C channel and U channel. We call this start and track. And the machine also can change the size. It means also can change from 30 to 100. It can be adjustable. And the machine also flying cutter. The machine when it cut is not stopped. And you can see here, this is the logo punching. This one is the punching. So this one machine have many functions. The first one is machine can produce different size, and the second one, the machine can produce C channel and U channel, start and track. And the machine is flying cutter also, and it can punching the logo, can punching the hose. So later we will test the machines. We will show you the machine working. If you need any reforming machines, please contact me. We will give you the good machines, good service, and good price. Okay, bye.